You are doing a practice for many months, excitement slash newness, and that excitement slash newness brought some experiences. Every practice that you do, or every teacher slash guru that you get in life, have just one rule: to take you to your moment of love. Because this is the real spirituality according to my anubhavas, my experiences. You are doing a practice for many months. There was love slash excitement slash newness, and that excitement slash newness brought some experiences. Now newness is gone, the whole process has become mechanical, fear driven. Do I apply more love here and continue with this? Or there's a finer point here. What is the role of any practice and any guru in your life? I'm asking you.
Evolution.
In what sense?
Towards that merging with Ishvara or Moksha
And where does that merging happen?
in the moment, in the present moment.
Here, at the heart. Now, are we good so far? Now, if your practice or your guru is not guiding or leading or pushing you towards that, there's an issue there. Are you understanding what I'm saying? And in that context, now no practice will help you. Or the practice now that you need, please listen to this carefully. Every practice that you do, or every teacher slash guru that you get in life, have just one rule: to take you to your moment of love. You can call it silence. Correct? If the practice is not doing that, or if the guru is not nudging you towards that, then we are doing something else and not spirituality. Because this is the real spirituality according to my anubhavas, my experiences. What Krishna was trying to teach Arjuna is not practice or anything else. All he was saying, awaken to this love inside you, Arjuna, and get detached from the action or the result of the action. What was Ramakrishna Paramhansa trying to teach Swami Vivekananda? He's coming to the space of love. What was Jesus trying to do to all his disciples? Is to bring them closer to the space of love. What was Rumi trying to do in life, or Shams, who was master guru of Rumi, was trying to do, is to bring him closer to the space of love. What was Shiva doing with Adishakti? By teaching her 112 techniques of meditation we call Vigyan Bhairav Tantra. He's bringing her closer to the space of love. Right? Do you know when, in what setup did Shiva taught 112 techniques of meditation to Adishakti? She was sitting on the lap of Shiva in a deep embrace. And there he taught her these 112 techniques, which will then bring her more closer to the space of love, which you called merging. Correct? What am I trying to do here? From last 3 days we're together. To nudge you to come to this inner space called love, because that's where the magic is. But we pick up the practice, make it initially excitement, and then slowly mechanical, then slowly fear-driven. The essence is lost.
But the teaching and that particular path and practice
Right.
was in fact, or is in fact, effective at bringing, right? It's not that the practice or the guru or effective. In some
Correct.
way. It's our own mental.
Correct. Correct.
So let's say if I determine, or somebody determines that, okay, it's been enough, I'm not progressing. How do you draw that line between, okay, this is not working, no, it's me who's doing it.
Okay. Look at this again, Marcos. Every spiritual teacher will speak the same truth, but using different language. Right? Because of our ways of learning and the way this thing is wired here, certain language of learning will appeal to you, certain language of learning will not enter into you. That's all the difference is. So what I am trying to do, a certain language you adopted, it couldn't get into your head fully. Head meaning system. I am speaking also the same thing, but my language is different. This language appeals to you more. And when this language appeals to you more, we'll be able to establish deeper connection. And the flow will happen much more deeply. It's just that. Correct? Does that make sense?
Yeah, it's.
And once you understand this clearly, in next couple of days, weeks, months, years, whatever time you will take, then even the current practice will start to work. Correct? But only the current practice will not work. I'm adding something to that. I'm adding a certain dimension to that. I'm adding a certain source code to that. Do you follow me? Correct? That's how it is. So I said two things. A, we're all speaking the same truth. Language is different. Resonance. Frequency is different. You tune into this frequency more or you tune into that frequency more is based on your device. Correct? Whichever frequency you tune to. A, that's what we said. 2, once you tune into the right frequency, now any practice that you do will be tuned to that frequency automatically. Now this whole debate of this practice is superior versus that practice is out of the discussion. Then it's a small little thing. Then it's like, do I sit like this? Do I sit like that? Do I sit like this? Do I sit like this? Does not matter, because what matters is what I'm sharing with you, not my posture. Do you understand what I'm saying? Posture is like the technique. Correct? It will take you some time to really grasp what I'm saying. Yeah, because we've made things way too complex, right? It'll take some time to really deconstruct all of this and come to the absolute simplicity of life. Yeah? Don't be in hurry. Don't be in rush. You'll reach there.
You told us to chill.
Chill, man. Loosen up. Yes, ma'am.
What is jealousy, and what's a helpful way to approach it?
When I hold something tightly, it could be product, person, anything. But when I hold something tightly and this thing starts to slip away, yeah, that's where jealousy starts to appear. Or this thing starts to get attracted to something else. Right? That which I'm holding. So where is the problem? Is this thing getting attracted to something else? Or my holding? Right? Now look at it this way. Somebody gives me a beautiful, sweet smelling flower. Now I hold this flower tightly because I want the fragrance of this flower just for me. I'm holding it tight. I don't want this fragrance to get to anybody else. And I'm fighting against the laws of nature, because the law of nature is the fragrance will spread. But I become jealous because I want to hold it only for myself. That's the source of all jealousy, holding only for myself, not allowing the fragrance of the flower to reach anybody else. And in that process, what you basically do, you kill the flower with the force of hold. So the flower is gone, and you also get no more fragrance. Yeah. Does that make sense? All right. So the magic is opening. So hand should be always like this. Open it. Yeah. And whatever is meant to be yours will remain yours forever.